Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to edit a PDF file on the iPhone. So first, what you want to do is open up your files, then pick a PDF file that you want. So I'm just going to pick this, and to edit this, just simply tap on the pen icon on the bottom right corner of your screen, and this will pop up. And now you could draw anything just by dragging on your screen. You could highlight a text if you want. You can see you could also erase it just by using the eraser pen right there. And there you could also use a ruler right here. You could type in a text if you want. So there are many stuff you could do. So you could add text form. You could also add a signature. Let's say I just want to type in test. Tap on done. And as you can see, it's all right there. That's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because I help reach more people. See you on the next one.